Imagine this. It's the end of the month, and instead of dreading the sight of your bank account, you're smiling because you've got money left over. No more stress, no more sleepless nights, and no more wondering how you'll make it to your next paycheck. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you that in just 30 days, you could break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle and start building real financial freedom? Stick with me, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. And trust me, you don't need to be a financial expert or win the lottery to make it happen. Let's dive in. Living paycheck to paycheck is exhausting. It feels like you're running on a treadmill that never stops, no matter how hard you work. But here's the good news. You don't have to live like this forever. With the right plan, mindset, and a few actionable steps, you can take control of your finances and start building a life where money works for you, not the other way around. In this video, I'll break down a 30-day plan that's simple, effective, and designed to help you stop living paycheck to paycheck for good. Ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Face the numbers. Day 1 to 3. The first step to breaking free is understanding exactly where your money is going. Most people avoid this because it's uncomfortable. But trust me, this is the foundation of your financial transformation. Start by tracking every single expense for the past 30 days. Look at your bank statements, credit card bills, and even cash transactions. Write down everything: rent, groceries, subscriptions, coffee runs, and even that late-night fast food order. Once you've got the numbers, categorize them. Essentials like rent and utilities, non-essentials like dining out, and savings, if there's any. You can't fix what you don't understand. This step will give you a clear picture of your spending habits and help you identify where your money is leaking. Step 2. Create a bare-bones budget, day 4 to 7. Now that you know where your money is going, it's time to take control. A bare-bones budget is a temporary plan that focuses only on the essentials. List your absolute necessities: rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, and minimum debt payments. Cut out or drastically reduce non-essentials like dining out, streaming services, and impulse purchases. Allocate every dollar of your income to a specific purpose. This is called a zero-based budget. If you earn $3,000 a month, every dollar should have a job, whether it's paying bills, saving, or paying off debt. A bare-bones budget frees up extra cash that you can use to build an emergency fund or pay off debt. Remember, it's not forever, it's just for 30 days. Step 3. Build a starter emergency fund, day 8 to 14. One of the biggest reasons people live paycheck to paycheck is because they don't have a financial cushion. An emergency fund is your safety net. Set a goal to save $500 to $1,000 this month. Use the money you freed up from your bare-bones budget to start building this fund. Sell items you no longer need, pick up a side hustle, or cut back even further on non-essentials. Every dollar counts. An emergency fund prevents you from relying on credit cards or loans when unexpected expenses pop up. It's your first step toward financial security. Step 4. Attack your debt, day 15 to 21. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom. The good news? You can start tackling it right now. Use the debt snowball or debt avalanche method. With the debt snowball, you pay off your smallest debt first, then roll that payment into the next smallest debt. With the debt avalanche, you focus on the debt with the highest interest rate first. Whichever method you choose, commit to making extra payments using the money you've saved from your budget cuts. Paying off debt reduces your monthly expenses and gives you more breathing room in your budget. Plus, it's incredibly motivating to see those balances go down. Step 5. Automate your finances, day 22 to 25. Once you've started saving and paying off debt, it's time to make your financial system work for you. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account on payday. Even if it's just $50, consistency is key. Automate your bill payments to avoid late fees and stress. If your employer offers direct deposit, split your paycheck so a portion goes directly into savings. Automation removes the temptation to spend money you should be saving. It also ensures you're always making progress, even if you're busy or forgetful. Step 6. Increase your income, day 26 to 28. Cutting expenses is important, but increasing your income can supercharge your progress. Look for ways to earn extra money, even if it's temporary. This could be freelancing, selling handmade products, driving for a ride-share service, or offering tutoring. If you have a full-time job, consider asking for a raise or looking for higher-paying opportunities. Extra income gives you more flexibility to save, pay off debt, and invest in your future. Even an extra $200 a month can make a big difference. Step 7. Plan for the future, day 29 to 30. By the end of 30 days, you'll have made significant progress. Now it's time to think long-term. Set financial goals for the next 3, 6, and 12 months. Do you want to save for a vacation, pay off a credit card, start investing? Write down your goals and create a plan to achieve them. Continue tracking your expenses and adjusting your budget as needed. Financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Having clear goals keeps you motivated and focused. It also ensures you don't fall back into old habits. Breaking free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle isn't easy, but it's absolutely possible. In just 30 days, you can take control of your finances, build a safety net, and start creating the life you've always wanted. Remember, the key is consistency. Small, intentional steps add up to big results over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And let me know in the comments, what's the first step you're going to take to stop living paycheck to paycheck? I'd love to hear your story. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.